In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Wix. If you want to display structured information on your site, especially dynamic content that comes from a database, Wix's built-in table feature is one of the best options to use. It's especially useful when you are working with the CMS because it allows your table to stay organized and update more efficiently as your content grows. To begin, open your Wix site in the editor. Once you are inside the page where you want the table to appear, go to the section where you'd like to create it. It helps to decide in advance where the table will fit best, so your layout stays clean and easy to read. Tables usually work well in areas where you want to present lists, pricing details, schedules, directories, or any type of repeated information in rows and columns. Next, click the Add Elements icon on the left side of the editor. This is the plus icon, and it gives you access to the different design components you can place on your page. From there, select Layout Tools or in some Wix versions, you may find the Table option under List. Once you open that category, click Tables and choose a design preset that matches the style of your site. Then drag it directly onto your page and position it where you want it. After placing the table, the next step is to connect it to your CMS. To do that, click the Connect to CMS icon on the table itself. This is the key part if you want your table to display dynamic content rather than static information. By linking it to your content management system, you make it possible for the table to pull data from a collection automatically, which is ideal if you plan to update the information regularly without redesigning the table each time. Once the table is connected, click Manage Table. This is where you can customize the structure of the table by renaming columns, reordering them, or deleting any columns you don't need. This step is important because it helps make sure the table matches the type of information you want to show and keeps everything easy for your visitors to understand. At this point, you can either manually enter your data or connect the table to a dataset collection inside Wix. Manual entry is fine for simple one-time content, but if you are building a more dynamic site, connecting to a dataset is usually the better long-term choice. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.